Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Insurance. In this video, we inform you about importance of auto insurance. Car insurance is a requirement in most states. Most states require state minimum car insurance coverage by law. It is important to find out if you live in a no-fault state. If you do, you will have to pay for your injuries and damages regardless of who is at fault in a collision. You should also evaluate your needs and circumstances to determine how much car insurance to buy. The best policy will vary per person. For some, the state minimum may not be enough. It helps give you financial protection. Car insurance protects you and your passengers. Okay. Typically, the person who caused the accident will be held liable for its expenses. If you do not have coverage, you would likely need to pay all costs out of pocket. In no-fault states, each party is responsible for their own expenses. Auto insurance may protect anyone who drives your car. Depending on the coverage you choose, you can have additional protection like roadside assistance. Some insurance companies also offer rewards. Typically, driving safely or having safety features in your car could make you eligible for significant discussions. Standard insurance coverage you may need. For states where auto insurance is a must, there is a minimum coverage requirement. While this varies depending on the state, it typically includes bodily injury liability and property damage liability. However, there are other insurance types you may want to consider for some more coverage, like comprehensive and collision. Types of auto insurance. There are two types of auto insurance: bodily injury liability and property damage liability. Bodily injury liability. Other than being a state requirement, it's good to have this type of insurance because it pays for the injuries incurred by the driver and occupants of the other car. Bodily injury liability coverage covers medical expenses, pain and suffering, and lost wages. Property damage liability. Most states require property damage liability. This coverage pays for damages and policyholder may cause to another person's vehicle or property. Personal injury protection. Drivers living in no-fault states are typically required to have personal injury protection insurance. Policyholders with personal injury protection insurance get coverage for medical expenses related to injuries that they or their passengers may incur in an accident. This coverage applies to the policyholder regardless of who is at fault of the accident. These are the importance of auto insurance and some types of auto insurance.